Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Francis Star, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another website where you can be completing simple tasks and be making money from any part of the world you're okay. So this platform actually works worldwide. No matter where you're living or where you're watching this video from, you can actually earn from this platform. Okay, so what you're going to be doing on this platform is just complete simple tasks. You can watch videos and make money. You can test out apps. You can invite your friends and still make money on this website. Okay, so before I show you how to create an account on this website, I will like you to um, I would like to show you how you can earn money first. Okay, I'll show you how you can watch videos, how you can test apps, and how you can invite your friends to join this platform. Okay, you can see it here. You can earn $20 by referring people. You can earn $2 per click you get. You can earn $20 on testing apps and games, and then $15 on watching videos. Okay, you can see the top earners um on this place here. You can see the leaderboard. You can see someone already earned over $318,000. You can see $283,000 here. You can see 220. You can see 181, 175. Okay, so people are making money from this website. Okay, so the name of this website is Cashcom. Okay, so don't just click off this video and say you want to go sign up yourself. Okay, you're going to just miss the bonus. Okay, I'll be dropping the link to this website in the description of this video, so make sure you go to the description and you use my link to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, you're going to get $25 as welcome bonus for using my link. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you how you can earn on this platform before I show you how to create an account. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're beginning to like, I would say you should give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like. Okay, hit that like button. Okay, hit that like button and go on the comment section below, comment make money online. Okay, just drop a comment saying make money online. Okay, and if you're new on this channel, I'll say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit on that subscribe button because I'll be dropping more content on this platform and you don't want to miss it. Okay, what I do basically on this channel is I make research, I test apps and websites that pays, help you build online business. I teach digital skills like affiliate marketing and other digital skills on this platform. Okay, so if this sounds something you're interested in, I would say you should click on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update I'm gonna be dropping on this channel. Okay, so let's get started immediately. So if you want to make money on this platform, what you want to do first is you either watch video or you invite people or you test apps. So the first thing you're going to do is just click on this bar searching, this three dots here. So once you just click on it, you're going to see options like this. So here you just click on watch videos. Once you click on watch videos, you're going to see videos you can watch and make money. Okay, so this video here you're going to earn $15 to watch this video. You're going to earn $15, and with this you're still going to earn $15. That's like $45, but you can only watch 3 videos per day. Okay, so I'll show you how you can make more money. Okay, don't be too in hurry. Okay, so let's just click on this video and finish watching it and see if the money is going to be added to my dashboard or not. Okay, so while I click on the video, I'm just going to pause this recording right now, and I'll show you once it's done and show you if the money is credited or not. Okay, previously I have $205 on my dashboard, and here they are promising to give us $15. So let's see while I watch the video. Okay guys, the video has finished playing. Okay, you can see it's showing here this video has been viewed. You can actually watch this video only once. Okay, now let's go back to my dashboard and see how much you have there. Okay, so I'll just click on dashboard and let's see how much you have. Okay, you can see the $15 has been added already. Previously it was $205 and now it's $220. Okay, so the $15 has been added already. Okay, now you know how you can earn by watching videos. So how to earn by getting inviting people to the platform. All you just want to do is click or copy this link. This is your referral link. Okay, so once you copy the link, you can share this link to your friends on WhatsApp, your friends on Facebook. You can actually go on Facebook groups and tell them about this platform, and once they are interested in it, you send them your referral link and they sign up. Okay, so once they sign up, you make $20. Even if they did not sign up and they click on the link, you're still gonna make $2. Okay, so the last way to earn on this website is testing apps and testing games. Okay, testing app and testing games, this is another way you can earn on this platform. You can see for this you're going to earn, each of them you test, you earn $20. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, those are it's just 5 you can test per day. Okay, and $20 by 5 is like $100. Yeah, so okay, you can actually make $100 here by just testing apps. Okay, so here I've already done the testing for today, so I can't do it again. Okay, even if I just do it, the money will not be added. Okay, so you can see it here, I've already completed it for today and I can't do it again. But let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, so if you finish signing up and you want to just complete this task, you click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it's going to redirect you to maybe a website or an application about something you're just going to view or test. All you have to do is to just spend 30 seconds or just 1 minute on this website. Okay, so once you just spend 30 seconds or 1 minute viewing whatever they direct you to, you just go back. So once you go back, you check your dashboard, the $20 is going to be added immediately. Okay, this didn't add because I've already done it before, so I can't do it twice. So this is all what you can just do. You can repeat it with the other apps and you're going to get your money directly to your dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how you can add your payment method. Okay, show you how you can add your payment method. Okay, in this platform there are lots of ways you can actually withdraw your earning. Okay, there are different payment methods you can withdraw your earning to. You can see Payoneer, you can see Google Play, you can see OP, you can see Valve, you can see PayPal, you can see Cash App, Bitcoin, USDT, ETH, Dogecoin, Bankcard, Phone, Western Union. All this actually works. Okay, and if you don't have any of these accounts, you can easily go on YouTube, search for how to create a Payoneer account or how to create a Google Play account or OP account. Any of them, there are videos on YouTube that explains how you can create this. Okay, so once you just create them, you come back and you provide your details. So once you provide your details, you're just going to withdraw your money once it's up to the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so whenever you want to just withdraw your money, you can actually withdraw it. Okay, so if this video sounds like something you love, something that you've gained value from, so I'll just say you should hit on that like button right now. Just like this video, make sure you drop a comment. Make money online. So once you drop that comment, also share this video with your friends. Okay, share this video. And if you're new to this channel, you're seeing me for the first time or you're coming across my content for the first time, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. Okay, because you don't want to miss my next video. Hit on that subscribe button and then make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop the new video, you're just going to be notified by YouTube that Francis Star has dropped a new video. So you would just watch and then learn whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Now I know you can just test out this website and make money for yourself. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.